Alright guys, we're going to talk about pressure washer fittings and sizes, specifically when it relates to the pressure washing hose, the gun, foam cannons, nozzles, and things like that. Now this is actually a super common question we get in our support channel, and that's, why can't I connect my foam cannon to the hose, or why does only the gun connect, things like that. And if you don't know about pressure washing, this might be kind of something that is hard to get an answer to. So the simple answer is that on the pressure washer hose, or basically anything before the gun, is 3/8 inch fittings. So this coupler right here is a 3/8 inch coupler. This plug is a 3/8 inch plug. This plug right here on the gun is 3/8 inch. So you can see they're bigger fittings, right? So I can connect these together, they lock in, they work. Everything past the gun, so this coupler right here going forward, that includes wands, nozzles, foam cannons, you can see has a much smaller fitting on it. So this is much smaller than this, right? These are all 1/4 inch. So that's the easiest way to think about it. If it's before the gun, it's going to be 3/8 inch. If it's past the gun, it's going to be 1/4 inch. So you can see right there. Additionally, we do get a lot of questions of people asking, why can't I connect my foam cannon directly to the hose, or is this something that I can do because I want to do it? You can do it, it is possible, but I would really advise you don't do that, because there would be nothing stopping the water and the flow to just blow through the foam cannon, right? You need your gun there to regulate when it's on or off. If you didn't have the gun, then your foam cannon would just start getting whipped around your garage. So there you go. That's fittings, sizes, basics for you. If you want a little more information on fittings, I would highly recommend you check out our video we did, Fittings 101, where we dive into a little bit more detail on these, but that should get you working in the pressure washer world. You can get all these pressure washing things on our website at obsessedgarage.com, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.